Welcome to the assembly manual for the HELO TV bench. In step 1, position part 5 and fit the accessories C. Position part 6 and secure it with accessory H. In step 2, position part 1 and secure accessory J. Position the pieces 4 and fit the accessories C. Fix the L accessories. Position the pieces 11 and secure the accessories P. Fit accessories S in the indicated location. Fit the C accessories into the indicated locations. In step 3, fit accessory S into the indicated location and then secure accessories J. Fix all the L accessories in the indicated locations. In step 4, fit the C accessories into piece 3 and then attach the J accessories. Attach the L accessories. In piece 2, fit the accessories C and then secure the accessories J. Fix the L accessories. In step 5, position the pieces 12 and fit the accessories C in the indicated locations. Fix accessories B and I. Position the pieces 13 and secure all the accessories I. Fix the accessories M and N in the indicated locations. Fix the accessories A and I. In step 6, attach parts 14 and 15 with accessories K. Fix the K and F accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the accessories O. Position part 8 and secure accessories J. Then fit accessory C. Position part 10 and secure with the G accessories. Fix the L accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the accessories A and I. Attach accessories E and I to parts 9 and 10. And finally, attach the accessories I.